runs wild. We are super excited to have you join our journey right here. From cool challenges to DIY projects and some crazy adventure and a little bit of silliness. This is a place where your imagination can soar. I, Himanish, along with Hiranya, a bunch of curious, fun-loving kids who want to share our experience and creativity with you. Not experts, we are just kids having a blast and we want you to join us to have a fun. Here you can expect crazy challenges, imaginative DIY and also bedtime adventure. Along with that, plenty of fun. If you have any cool ideas that I want to try or we both, you tell us in the comments because we would love to try it. And the page is yours.
Join our incredible adventure squad by hitting that subscribe button and ringing the notification bell. Don't forget to bring your friends and even your family along for the fun.
So, are you ready to dive headfirst into a world of fun, laughter, and creativity with us? Grab up your superhero capes, imagination hats, and let's make some awesome memories together.
Remember, this page is a place where kids rule and every idea is a chance for new adventure. Welcome to our page, Awesome Explorers. With excitement and a sprinkle of silliness, Hiranya,
Himanish and the Awesome Explorers team.